arid soil and forest soil. These are the two important soil again which are found in the India. Starting with arid soil. Arid means dry region. Dry, here we will understand first temperature here is very high. Next is water, availability of water is very less, no water is available. So dry region is called as the arid region. Those regions where the availability of water is very less and temperature is very high is called as the arid region. In those regions, the soil which is found is called as the arid soil. Here, the arid soil color will ranges from red to brown. Somewhere it will look like a reddish color, somewhere it is brownish color. That is why it is written red to brown. Now coming to the texture of this soil. Texture of the soil is sandy. Arid soil is called as the sandy soil. Texture is here sandy, and nature of this soil, arid soil, is saline. Salts contain, because nature is saline, this soil, arid soil, salts contain in some areas is very high. In some areas, salts containing is very high, and common salt is obtained by evaporating. We can take the example of Rajasthan Sambhar Lake. Sambhar Lake, we get common salt there. This will be the best example. This region is having dry climate, arid soil. Here climatic condition is dry, temperature is high. Because of high temperature, evaporation will be faster, evaporation of water will be faster, and the soil lacks humus. Humus, dead remains of plants and animals. It lacks in this soil humus and moisture. Evaporation is faster and the soil lacks humus and moisture. This soil is having no humus and no moisture present in arid soil. In this soil, especially the lower horizon part, below part, lower horizon, in the interior part, below part, lower horizon of the soil are occupied by conker. Conker, again here, the chemical which is found in conker are calcium carbonate and magnesium hydroxide. Conker, so this is occupied, this soil are occupied by conker, and because of the presence of conker, because of the increasing calcium content downwards, as we go downwards, it restricts the infiltration of water. Because of the conquered layer, calcium content is more, and when calcium content will be more, water will not go easily, so it restricts the infiltration of water. Now again about the arid soil, after proper irrigation, in arid soil also it is cultivable, but after proper irrigation the soils become cultivable. For example, Western Rajasthan, opening of the Indira Gandhi Canal, this region, especially Bikaner, Badmer, Jaisalmer, these regions people are doing agriculture. Just now we will see with the help of map. But let's finish forest soil also. Forest soil, lake soil, these soils are found in the hilly regions, especially the northern part of Himalayas, found in the hilly and mountainous areas where sufficient rainforests are available. Sufficient rainforests are available. Those regions which are having high rainfall, especially in the hilly and mountainous region. These regions are having forest soil. Now coming to the texture of the soil, forest soil texture varies according to the mountain. Varies according to the mountain environment. As per the mountain environment, it will differ from one place to another place where they are formed. In the mountainous region where they are formed, here this texture will vary. Now this forest soil is having loamy and silty in valley side. Loamy and silty in valley sides and coarse grain in the upper slope. Coarse means bigger in size in upper slope. Now coming to the snow-covered areas of hilly regions, snow-covered areas experiences denudation. Denudation here means breaking down of the rocks by the agents of erosion as well as weathering, both together. Here the agent will be glacier. Snow-covered areas experience denudation. So here breaking down of the rocks will be taking place with the help of glaciers as well as weathering, both will help for the breaking of the rocks in the hilly region, and are acidic with low humus. The soil which will form by the denudation, these soils will be acidic with low humus content. Humus content will be very low because of the snow covered regions. Now again, the soil formed in the lower part of the valleys, lower part of the valleys, particularly on the river terraces, and alluvial fans are fertile. It will be fertile. Why? Because these soils will be found near the river valleys, and near the river valleys as well as river terraces, these regions are very fertile. This soil, forest soil. So this was all about the arid soil and forest soil. Let's see with the help of map. This is the map of India, political map. It will be very clear because states are given, and again this physical map is also available here. It will be very easy to understand. This brown shaded regions, these regions are the regions of Himalayas, hilly regions, mountainous regions, Western Ghat, Eastern Ghats. These regions are the hilly regions. If you see in the political map, this is the location of Himalayas. Himalaya is located here. This is the region of the forest soil. Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh region, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Nepal, this is other country, Sikkim, this is state of India, Bhutan, other country, Arunachal Pradesh. This complete northern India, northeastern India. This is the region of Himalayas where forest soils are found mostly. In these hilly regions, different rivers, valleys, rivers are flowing through the valleys, and these valleys are very fertile because of the fertile soil which is available near the alluvial fan as well as in the terraces, river terraces, and near the bank of rivers in the hilly regions. When we talk about the arid soil this Rajasthan state, especially western side, this side, western side of Rajasthan, because of the opening of the Indira Gandhi Canal, this western side is, people are doing cultivation because of the availability of water. But when we talk about the characteristics of arid region, the characteristics is high temperature and no water. So if this will be the condition, so again it will be very difficult for doing agriculture. But since the opening of the Indira Gandhi Canal, water is available in the western side of Rajasthan, western side of Aravalli ranges. Eastern side, these regions are greenery, but western sides of Aravalli, या western side of Rajasthan, western Rajasthan, especially these regions, Bikaner, Jaisalmer, Barmer, these regions are dry regions, desert regions. They need water for doing agriculture. Proper availability of water will be there, then it will be used for doing agriculture.